Good morning and welcome back to part 2 of my Damascus knife build. Today what we're going to be doing is going through and getting everything finished up from the handle all the way down to getting the blade etched. Please take a second to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Also, if you haven't seen part 1, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check that out. Yeah. So it's worth mentioning that I beveled the front of the scales, got them up to 400 grit, and forgot to record it. So there's that. All I did was angle my platen to 45 degrees, 80, 120, and then 400. And that got it where we're at right there. I finally got the holes drilled for the scales on the Tang. I've got them beveled and fit up pretty nicely. So what we're gonna do now is hand sand the blade again, make sure it's good and clean, get it ready for etch it, leave it in the coffee for about 8 hours or so, and then get it ready for glue up. All right, so here's where we're at. It is freaking cold outside. Decided to snow. So the blade's hand sanded. It's where it needs to be. We're gonna get ready to etch. And also I've got the handle scales roughed out and got them in the rough shape that they need to be, so it'll make glue up and the finish a little bit easier. Also, I did save a little bit of the grinding dust from the scales whenever I cut them down. This will make glue up a little bit easier. This is my first tapered Tang, so it's not perfect. Any little imperfections will be covered up with that because I plan on mixing the dust with the epoxy, and hopefully that'll cover up any mistakes that I made in the fit up of the scales to the Tang. All right, so we've hit the home stretch. The blade is etched, glued up, and it's ready to be finished. So what I'm gonna do now is go through, shape the handle, get everything polished up, oiled, and she'll be ready to go.